Have you ever been left thinking about how to kickstart your real estate business or how to escalate it to greater heights? Think about it no more. Echoing the words of Anthony Hitt, to be successful in real estate, you must always and consistently put your client's best interests first. When you do, your personal needs will be realized beyond your greatest expectations. Welcome to a wellspring of more than 50 ingenious and straightforward real estate marketing strategies that will revolutionize your business. First, think about creating a professional website. In today's digital world, a well-designed, user-friendly website is non-negotiable. It's your digital storefront, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Second, harness the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are not just for socializing. They are powerful tools for showcasing properties, sharing success stories, and connecting with potential clients. Third, consider hosting virtual tours. With advancements in technology, you can now showcase a property without the client having to physically be there. It's convenient, efficient, and engaging. Fourth, don't forget the traditional marketing methods. Direct mail, for instance, is still effective. A well-crafted letter or postcard can capture a potential client's attention and pique their interest. Fifth, leverage local partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses or influencers to cross-promote each other. It's a win-win situation. Sixth, create a referral program. Happy clients are your best advertisement. Offer them incentives to refer their friends and family to your business. Seventh, provide valuable real estate information. Write blogs, create podcasts, or host webinars. These platforms can position you as an expert in your field. Eighth, work on your personal brand. Remember, people do business with people they like and trust. Show your personality, share your values, and build relationships. Ninth, use SEO to your advantage. Optimize your website and content to rank higher on search engines. It's one of the best ways to attract organic traffic. 10th, never underestimate the power of good photography. High-quality, professional photos can make a world of difference in showcasing your properties. These are just the first 10 of over 50 strategies we've lined up for you. From running targeted ad campaigns, utilizing customer testimonials, to hosting community events, and so much more. Each strategy offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your specific business needs and goals. To summarize, we've discussed creating a professional website, harnessing social media, hosting virtual tours, using traditional marketing methods, leveraging local partnerships, creating a referral program, providing valuable real estate information, working on your personal brand, using SEO, and investing in good photography. Remember, the real estate market is constantly evolving. It's important to stay ahead of the curve and continuously explore new marketing strategies. So, gear up, implement these strategies, and watch your real estate business soar to new heights. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and stay innovative.